Okay, dear students, very good day. I am KV Chaudhary from ND Ganga School Parivar. I would like to start with a very small example. And you know what is that example? That up to 8th class, all the students are in the position of carrying water bottle with them when they are coming to school. And as they grow, that means when they promoted to 9th, 10th class, and especially 11th and 12th class, students of these class, that means 11th and 12th class, are hardly carrying water bottle with them. I think the students of 11th and 12th class are thinking that carrying water bottle is not their job, or if they will do this, that means if they will carry the water bottle, then it will decrease their dignity, या उनकी इज्जत कम हो जाएगी, और in other words उनको लगता है कि ये उनका काम नहीं है. I don't think is there any harm to carry water bottle with us, whether we are in 11th class, 12th class, or we are at the age of 50, 60. Now I'm coming to point. You know, I'm taking physical education subjects of 11th and 12th class, and right now I am also taking EVS subjects for junior classes. But there's a big difference between junior classes and the 11th and 12th class in terms of discipline, sincerity, responsibility, and dedication. The junior classes students are doing their job very sincerely. They feel some kind of responsibility in that. The videos what we are uploading, we find 30, 40, 60, even more than 100 views are there. On other hands, the senior classes students are hardly watching 3 views, 4 views, 10 or 12 views. And it's not the question of physical education subjects. It's with all the subjects, whether chemistry, biology, maths, it's from all the subjects. That shows how sincere, responsible you are. Dear students, in my previous videos, I have enough discussed with you that life is not roses bed. Okay? And especially after this pandemic, we have to be more hard work, because the competition will be more tough. The jobs are less. The crowd will be more. No one is going to feed you throughout your life. You have to prove yourself. You have to do the hard work. There is no second choice in that. I am telling you very honestly, the videos what the respect teachers are making, then they are compressing, then they are uploading on YouTube, then they are giving link to you. They are also making PDF files in terms of questions and answers. They are also making notes in PDF format and sending to you. So it's a very tiring job. मैं ऑनेस्टली आपको बता रहा हूं, ये अगर आप फिजिकली स्कूल में आते तो उससे कहीं ज़्यादा टायरिंग जॉब है. एंड इफ यू आर जस्ट सिंपली इग्नोरिंग दिस, दैट मीन्स यू आर हैमरिंग योर सेल्फ. ये कहावत है ना, प्यासा कुएं के पास आता है. बट हेयर व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, कुआं जा रहा है प्यासे के पास. द टीचर्स आर गिविंग देयर बेस्ट, but you are just running away from the real situation. That is too bad, dear students. मुझे बात बहुत छोटी सी कहनी है कि आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में अपने जो आपका जो पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप है उसमें ज्वाइन होना है. सिंसियरली जो टास्क बताई जा रही है फ्रॉम द स्कूल साइड्स वो करनी है. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी है. आंसर्स करने हैं क्वेश्चंस के. रिप्लाई देना है. आपको स्कूल से जुड़े रहना है सो दैट आपको पता तो चले कि व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन द स्कूल. मैं अपने सब्जेक्ट की अगर बात करता हूं फिजिकल एजुकेशन की, आई एम टेलिंग यू आई कवर मोर देन 70% ऑफ सिलेबस ऑफ द 12th क्लास. एंड इट्स नॉट question of my subjects. Other teachers all also completed quite big. So please focus yourself, be attentive, connect yourself to the schools, show the sincerity, dedicate yourself, start hard work, take out the sweat, पसीना निकालें. लाइफ रुकने वाली नहीं है, कोरोना चला जाएगा, बट थिंग्स विल बी मोर हार्डर what we are experiencing now. Situation in terms of getting job, in terms of earning, in terms of competition will be tough. आपको सिंपली इतना ही तो करना है कि व्हाट्सएप से जुड़ना है, ऑनेस्टली जुड़ना है. स्कूल क्या, व्हाट द स्कूल्स आर सेंडिंग टू यू, रिसीव विद दैट ऑनेस्टली, आंसर इट, लर्न इट. दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम. आई एम टेलिंग यू, दिस इज द गोल्डन टाइम. यू कैन रियली compete विद अदर्स और काफी आगे जा सकते हैं इस टाइम में आप. इट्स माई ऑनेस्टली suggestion to you. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी इस टाइम को यूटिलाइज किया उन्होंने और काफी आगे निकल चुके हैं. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, दोज हु आर रियली इग्नोरिंग दिस टाइम्स, they will have to bear it. So I do not want to give a big lecture. I hope कि those who has not connected yet will connected in their particular group honestly, and whatever the task they are receiving from the school will complete that task honestly. Okay, because I am telling you, you are quite late, you wasted too much time. But if you still wake up yourself, I think you can come back to the track. Otherwise, it will be almost impossible for you to come on the track. ठीक है? So please अपने आप को ट्रैक पे लाएं, ऑनेस्टली जुड़ें. दिस इज योर जॉब. आपका ही काम है ये. We are giving our best. Whatever the possible way, we are doing our best. But we are not getting good result from your side. So it's your mistake. We are posting all kind of videos. So please understand the situation and do well. So I hope after hearing honestly this video, you will work sincerely and focus on your task. So that's all from my side. Have a great day ahead.
सरफिदा है ये ठीक बड़ा, खुद से ही ये लड़ चला। बागी बड़ा है मेरा हौसला, खुद से ही ये लड़ चला। तूफान भी ना मुझे रोक सका।